Hello everyone, my name is Billy and I just want to share you my experience with Trident Smiles Dental. Now, for me personally, I think it's important to maintain a regular oral hygiene, but as many of us know, dental treatments and procedures can be incredibly high and costly. And so I'm so glad that Apple actually covers my dental treatments so I could go regularly. And that's actually how I found Trident 2 years ago, and I've been going there ever since. Not only is the staff so accommodating and kind, and the doctors are so knowledgeable, but I gotta say, it's probably one of the most coolest spa-looking dentistries that I ever experienced and found in Silicon Valley. And one of my favorite features that I really love is that they have Netflix for every treatment that you go to. If you're in the Silicon Valley area and if you're an Apple employee like me, use the benefits and try out Trident Smiles Dental. Thanks guys.